If there's one car Iran is known for, it's this, the Paykan. It may not look like much, and that's because, well, it really isn't. Yet this unremarkable car has somehow become a national icon. Based on a British design, Iran's Paykan first came into production in the late 60s. It was cheap, basic, yet far, far from cool. But for many Iranians back then, buying one meant a step up, as the country grew richer and the middle class got bigger. Suddenly, Paykans were everywhere. And they weren't all just privately owned. Paykans were taxi cabs and police cars. They were even turned into trucks, quickly becoming an essential part of Iranian industry. Sure, the Paykan wasn't very desirable, but over the years, it became very, very necessary. Nevertheless, production stopped in 2005. And that was it. For a while. Soon, Iranians actually started to miss the car they used to hate. Now there's a huge surge in popularity for the Paykan. They're being restored and renewed, and in some cases pimped up. That's right, pimp up my Paykan. The streets of Iran are now filled with foreign and modern cars. But it's the Paykan that's become an iconic symbol of Iranian nostalgia.
Paykan.